Good morning, you guys. So today's Monday and it is, what time is it? 10:16 a.m. So past 2 weeks or so have been the miserable time frame. Does that make sense? Anyways, yeah, it was like hell week because it was exam week or exam weeks, and it was not very fun, let me just say. Honestly, I was just so stressed out and I just didn't film for a while. I didn't have time to edit really, and it was a mess. I wasn't really active on YouTube for 2 weeks, but I'm back. I got medium iced coffee with cream and sugar, and I got big and toasty, which is so good, and I got hash browns. I'm gonna destroy this right now. So good. Guys, it's currently 11:04 p.m. right now.
Hi,
Sammy's
Sammy.
here. I want to eat this freaking peaches, but it won't open, so I googled it, and it says to like tap on the lid with wooden spoon, but I don't have that, so we're gonna work with scissors. Guys, it's a new day and I am dying. So I stayed up till really late last night. I got the huge. This time I got 2 hash browns. Oh, so good. So I just came back from class and today's weather is so weird. When I walked out, it was 37 degrees. But later in the day today, it's going to be 70 degrees. Why? I can't even like dress up cute because like, well, it's 37 and then 70, like, okay, yeah. You know, my brain is not functioning correctly, so I'm sorry. I realize that this vlog is very messed up, but I apologize. It's just this is my life. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so busy all the time. Okay, so I am watching my video again. Everyone's been commenting about like how I pronounce this thing, so what I'm gonna do right now is to Google how to pronounce it. The comments are like so funny. Me. Oh wait, this is a joke. Dang it. I will figure out how to pronounce it. Comme des garçons. Comme des garçons.
I think I read Comme des garçons. wait, let's play this again. Comme des garçons. Comme des garçons.
I'll just say CDG. Guess where we're going.
It's a happy smile.
Guilty smile.
It's okay. You worked out.
We're going to DX, as usual. Oh, yeah. I regret it so much. I regret it.
Love it.
I regret it. I regret it. Hola guys, today is Wednesday. So I had my management class, which was 9:05 to 9:55, and that was it. That's all I have for today. You guys, I got a package from Vineyard Vines and H&M. Let's do unboxing. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm really liking it. Got it in like size large. This is such a cute dress, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, so I got this top and I was not expecting this to be this material, I guess. I was expecting more like silky material, but as you can see, it's not, which I'm really disappointed about, but that's okay. I think this color suits me. I'm not really sure. I'm also wearing this skirt and it's huge on me. I got in size 4 and it's so big and it's longer than expected. It's really long. I got these pants and I was definitely not expecting this material. It's slippery, super thin, really weird, but I love the details, like the stitching and the 2 buttons. Really liking it. Lastly, I got this plaid skirt. It was like $10. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like red and gray, black and white stitching or like pattern. I really like it. Hi guys. Look at what I'm doing. My AirPods are here. I think. Wow. Wow. Ta-da! Oh. Huh. Yeah. Wow. Yo. Yes. 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 Oh. Oh, she told me to run around with it. It doesn't fall. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Guys, it is 1:30 a.m. and we're going to DX to get late night snacks. Look at Sammy's pants. Oh my god. And it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Sammy. Happy 19th.
DX nasty 19.
Nasty 19.
DX.
Yeah. Guys, fun fact. So I have this North Face, right? All the air goes through. It doesn't even warm me up. That's why I have the blubber. Blubber?
You know, I kind of thought about this a while ago.
Uh-huh.
Like, if I'm pregnant, I think like my baby will like never be full.
Like,
I'm
what?
actually dead ass serious. Like, I thought about it. Like, I thought about it when you guys were at the extra credit thing, and I was like, wait, if I'm pregnant, my baby will be like so warm.
Okay.
Blubber.
So
What do you want to name your children?
Oh my gosh, I want to name my children Swan. Just kidding, no.
Okay, let me tell you mine. So
I didn't even ask.
I want to have 2 boy twins first, named Landon and Luca, and then I'm gonna have girl twins named Leslie and Lily.
Why?
And then I'm gonna have
Doggo.
2 labradoodles named Levi and Milo.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
The end. Guys, we got our goods. We got our goods. Let's go back.
Currently at Target.
We're
at home.
Yeah, this is our home.
We found these cute little things. These string lights for $3. $3, bitch.
Hello, madam. How may I help you? Under the sea.
오빠 Gangnam Style! Gangnam Style!